King rework codes. Yo, look at the mighty king. The mighty king is here. And we have some new working codes inside of Blue Lock. Blue bala bala Lock. Blue Lock. I'm the cactus man, by the way. Today I'm the cactus man. But first, guys, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. I'll be showcasing you all new lucky spins codes inside of Blue Lock. You can actually redeem tons and tons of lucky spinneronis inside of this new king update. Blue Lock Ronaldo. If you have 0 Robux, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you have 0 Robux. The first code that I'll be showcasing to you guys, so you don't miss out on any future codes, is Awake. Awake Ning. King Awakening. King Awakening. King Awakening, that is the first code that you actually want to redeem inside of the Blue Lock update. Choose one number. You can choose one number. My number is 7. I am number 7. Ronaldo. 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 The next code is Passive. Bug fixes. Bug fixes. Exclamation point. Massive bug fixes. Massive. How much aura is this? You can choose your aura points right now. This is 99% accuracy in codes. And it's real, not AI generated. Only one person can comment first. And that one person can only comment 2026. If you're watching in 2026, you're allowed to comment 2026. But otherwise, I love Ronaldo. Challenge impossible, and we are not from Temu. Why do everybody has so much egg? Egg. So many egg. Everybody stocks up on these egg. King Awakening. These are all the codes. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like the video and subscribe for future codes. There will be more codes in the future.